Hello, today my grandmother has fed me well, so I will be cleaning the drain pump filter in her Whirlpool washing machine. I will also show you how to easily clean the washing machine filter step by step. You should do this at least twice a year to ensure your washing machine lasts longer and the filter doesn't get blocked. The first task is to download the washing machine manual. You can do this by typing the machine model together the word manual in Google. The manual will contain the key information on where to find the water pump filter. Most often it's located behind the plinth, which is easy to remove. My grandmother has already removed this panel. Next, disconnect the power. I wouldn't want to get an electricity injury, especially since I still have desert whiting. Now grab a piece of fabric, because when you open the drain pump cover, some water may come out. Place the fabric on the floor to catch any water and prevent it from spilling. Then turn the cover counterclockwise. It's look my grandmother recently cleaned the filter because it's not too dirty. You can also wipe out the filter socket with the same cloth. Next, wash the filter under running water. If needed, use your grandmother's toothbrush to scrub off any dirt. Once clean, put the filter back in and screw it on clockwise. Tighten it, but not too much, as it's all plastic and you don't want to break anything. Finally, use a damp cloth to clean up any leftover debris, and that's it. Put the plinth panel back on and you are done. You weren't at your grandmother's desert too. Good luck!